everyone, my name is Mouzhan, a second-year student in Translational Research Program, or TRP for short. And today I would like to share what it's like to be a co-director of the scientific program for Temerty Faculty of Medicine Research Showcase. The day of the event starts early. I wake up at 5, enjoy the bright sky, grab an iced coffee, and head down the highway, hoping there will be no major delays. After getting there, I grab some coffee for my wonderful team who made this possible. We set up, get our name tags, and make sure the presentation slides are ready to go. Throughout the day, my co-director and I walk around the poster area, address any questions that might come up, and enjoy the TRP posters and presentations. It's amazing to see everyone's hard work on display. During lunch, we take some team photos of the organizing committee and the TRP family that attended the day before heading to the panel sessions. Afterwards, it's me back on the computers again, deciding who are the poster winners, prepare their certificates, and handing out to them during the closing ceremony. As the event wraps up, we donate the remaining food, reflect on a successful day, and hope that everyone enjoyed the event. And that's all. I hope you all consider joining clubs and exploring the university from different angles during your time as a TRP student. It's a fantastic way to make the most of your university experience.